Hi, I am Deepa Nair, and through my videos, I break down the complex world of AI so that anyone can use it. Welcome to my channel. I got this comment from one of my viewers, Manu V, about AI apps for teachers, which gave me the idea to create this video. So, hope this video is helpful to you, Manu, as well as other teachers. So, let's begin.
If you are a teacher trying to find out how artificial intelligence is transforming education, then there are some important AI platforms you should know about. In this video, I will introduce 4 such tools which can make a teacher's life easier. The first one is MagicSchool AI. It is a specialized platform built by educators for educators. Its primary mission is to reduce teacher burnout by automating time consuming instructional and administrative tasks. MagicSchool AI is a suite of 80 plus specialized template based AI tools designed for primary, secondary, and even higher education workflow. The platform categorizes its tools to cover almost every aspect of a school day. For planning, it has an AI driven lesson planner which generates highly detailed lesson plans in seconds. To get a lesson plan, a teacher simply has to input a few information like grade level, topic, standard, and click generate. That's it. There is a text leveler that takes any piece of text or article and rewrites it to match a specific reading grade level. There is a YouTube video question generator where you can drop in a YouTube link and the AI automatically generates quiz questions based on the video's transcript. For student assessment, it has rubric generator which instantly creates customized grading rubrics based on specific assignments. The next AI tool on the list is Khanmigo AI. Khanmigo is an AI powered teaching assistant developed by Khan Academy. How Khanmigo is different from ChatGPT? For students, instead of simply giving out answers, Khanmigo is programmed to act as a Socratic tutor, where it guides users to find the answers themselves by asking probing questions, breaking down complex concepts, and encouraging critical thinking. For teachers, it is entirely focused on saving time and eliminating paperwork. Work which can take hours can be done quickly with Khanmigo, and there is no learning curve. You can experience the best AI powered tool in education. Khanmigo is your always available tutor. It helps meet the unique needs of your students. It includes more than 25 automated educator specific tools, lesson planning, and hooks. It generates comprehensive lesson plans with creative lesson hooks to grab student attention based on grade level and topic. It has a make it relevant generator where teachers can input a boring academic concept like say fractions along with real world interests like video games or sports. And Khanmigo will instantly write an example connecting the two, making the topic interesting for students. It has an assessment and grading tool which generates detailed grading rubrics. It creates quick end of class checks and multiple choice quiz banks. It drafts customizable report card comments based on students' strength and weakness. It has a classroom snapshot which integrates directly with student data on Khan Academy to show trends, point out which students are struggling with specific concepts, and so on. These are several favorable testimonials from teachers, common sense media, and even blogs of Bill Gates. The next AI powered teaching assistant is Eduaide.ai. Eduaide uses a modular, template based approach to generate high quality classroom materials in seconds, thus reducing teachers' workload. It offers a library of resources for step by step lesson plans, graphic organizers, instructional games. For content generation, you have to input learning objective, topic, and reading level. There is also an option to upload documents, link websites, and even videos to generate tailored content. There is Eduaide Workspace, that keeps the document creation, AI action, and the instructional planning in one place. The document is always editable, and a teacher can choose to make changes to content, add images as required. You can do a lot many additions to the document created, like summarize, chunk text, increase or decrease the lexile level, draft rubrics, create flashcards, extract keywords. This feature is really impressive. These documents can then be downloaded as PDF, Word, Google Docs for future reference. There is a feedback bot, which is a dedicated grading and evaluation engine. Typographic. It catches basic spellings, punctuations, and grammar mistakes. Syntactical. Evaluates sentence structure, sentence variety, semantics, analyzes logic, reasoning, flow, and structural arguments. There is an assessment builder which can generate various distinct format of questions aligned directly to your learning target. Multiple choice, mixed format knowledge check, comprehensive unit test, custom rubrics. You can generate a specific grading rubrics and the AI will evaluate the student's work directly against those criteria to provide constructive actionable feedback. Content transformation and differentiation. You can highlight a particular text and instruct the AI to adjust the lexile reading level to make it simpler for struggling readers or even make it more complex for advanced students. It can translate into over 15 languages, which is ideal for multilingual classrooms. The fourth AI powered teaching platform is BrightClass. BrightClass is an interactive teaching and learning platform designed to integrate generative and agentic AI directly into classroom environments. Instead of juggling between multiple apps, BrightClass unifies everything a teacher needs into a single, easy to use AI powered platform. It offers a complete digital classroom solution for all your teaching needs, like creating timetable, courses, lessons, assessments, taking attendance, grading and reporting, and so much more. BrightClass upgrades existing digital boards into AI powered smart boards. It's a first of its kind AI whiteboard which enables to accomplish faster, curriculum centric content with images, videos, and interesting facts. Lesson creation is a joy with BrightClass. You can generate content in any language. You can drag and drop images and videos with limitless content. You are just a click away from generating quality, editable, and comprehensive PPTs with AI. You can unleash the power of YouTube videos for education with the analysis tool, AI powered summarization, along with seamless integration with classroom activities. All of these AI tools and platforms have a free tier with limited functionalities. And for the advanced features, there is a cost attached. With that, we come to the end of this video. See you in my next one.